हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार सभी को। आज हम बात करते हैं अपने फोर्थ टूल पेयर ऑफ लाइन टूल्स की। आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ, यस, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, पैरेलल लाइन, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, एंगल बाइसेक्टर, टेंजेंट्स, पोलर और डायमीटर line, best fit line, locus. I will discuss till tangents because till for school students only these are required. You can try it yourself. Best fit line is basically for trend line. Polar or diameter line is about circle, and locus if we want to find the locus of a point about another object or point. Okay, so first perpendicular line, let us just try. Let me just first draw a line so that I can draw a perpendicular line to it. Perpendicular line also I can draw from a point or from a point on the line itself. Let me just take perpendicular line. Just see, it is guiding me. Select perpendicular line and point. I am selecting this perpendicular line. You can see point is automatically selected because I am not selecting any point outside. Let us just now try. This is the perpendicular line at point C. Let me just try by giving a point. Now what I will do, I will select the line, then point. It will be from this point now. You can see automatically. I think you have understood the features now. Whenever I have drawn anything, it will be algebraically expressed here in the algebra window. Okay, now parallel line. Second tool, parallel line. I want parallel line from the same point but parallel to this. Then I will select the line, then point. It is parallel to this. If I want parallel to this from this point P, let us just start. I have selected the line and point. In this way, you can create parallel and perpendicular lines. Yes, now perpendicular bisector. Okay, let me just take a line segment. Okay, I just want to hide all these lines. I'm just keeping point A and B. And this line also, it is okay, leave it. Yes, now I have to draw line segment. Segment I want from A to B, and now it's perpendicular bisector. It is guiding me select 2 points or one segment. I have already drawn the segment, otherwise I can select both points also. Just click on this, you will get perpendicular bisector of it. And the next tool is angle bisector. Yes, I have to create an angle first. Let me just create an angle. An angle, I'm choosing angle with given size. Suppose I want angle BA 45 degree. Okay, let me do it only. Let me move the window so that you can see easily. Now, line segment A to B dash. Yes, this is the complete angle. Let me just hide this line. Okay, now angle bisector. Select 3 points or 2 lines. I can select 3 points. These are the points. It is automatically drawn. So in this way, you can use the fourth tool, perpendicular line tool, I can say, parallel line from here, perpendicular bisector. Yes, let us just try tangent also. Yes, let me just try tangents also. Let me just draw a circle. Circle. Now suppose I want tangent from this point F. Tangents I have chosen F and then circle. You have got the tangent line. Any point you can choose. and the circle. Suppose from this point 2 tangents are drawn. You can try it yourself. More we try, more we learn. Thanks everyone.